You getting him on video, Andrew?
Yeah.
Mom, did you find the paper? You did? So, does that mean we can talk one-on-one?
You're so funny.
I love the way you make sounds.
Mom, score yet?
Yes.
Bobby,
4-1.
that thing takes a couch too.
Yes. Caught you on tape, huh, baby? That was you?
Yeah.
Oh.
Gotta watch.
Who's here?
Nobody. Oh, I heard the car door shut. Mom, what? Are you doing the dishes? Every time I do the dishes, I make them better.
This is a book.
Peekaboo. It was good. Definitely left it open for the second movie. There's a series. Yeah, it's a 3-book series. There's 3 books in the series.
I just read the first. I tried to read the first.
Yeah, because Taylor's got there's the Dragon Rider, Aragon, and what's the other one? Which one?
Elvis.
Yeah. So there's three books in the series, right, Taylor?
Hi.
You read one of them too?
I tried. Too boring. I usually don't stay up for movies. I usually, when they took me out when I was in the place, we'd go to movies all the time.
Boring movies.
I think it's good movies, but I fall asleep.
Taylor and I read the book. Well, I read the book to her out loud. It took us 2.5 days to read the book. It was a 500 and something odd page book. But she kept saying, read another chapter, read another chapter. And it was such a good book. But there were words in there I couldn't even pronounce.
You know The Exorcist of Emily Rose?
Yeah.
That came out last year?
Yeah.
We were supposed to go see that when I was in NSD, waiting to get switching full sentence and everything. We weren't supposed to go see it, but we went to go see it anyway. And we weren't supposed to tell nobody. And when we got back, everybody sat there and talked about the movie. And they got us in so much trouble. They got the staff in trouble because the staff wasn't supposed to let us see that. I was screaming. Oh my God. I am crying.
Hi, Charlie. Charlie, come on out.